With the growth of the economy in the city of Sveta Nedjelja near Zagreb, the company Mlakar Viličari, originally named Obrt Mlakar, established back in 1977 under the leadership of Mr. Ivan Mlakar, has also expanded and evolved over the years. Drawing on knowledge acquired in Switzerland, he passed on his expertise to his son, today's company owner Mr. Robert Mlakar, as well as to many others. Known by then as a forklift specialist, he systematically began his venture in the sales, service and rental of forklifts. The headquarters of Mlakar Viličari remains in Sveta Nedjelja, specifically in Bestovje, where in 2003 they built an impressive sales and service center of global standards. This year they are celebrating precisely 30 years since signing an agreement with the German corporation Jungheinrich, one of the leading forklift manufacturers in the world. Their representation dates back in 1993, when Dir Mlakar became the general agent and distributor of the Jungheinrich forklifts throughout Croatia. The same year the company changed its name and continued its business triumphs under the name Mlakar Viličari. In addition to 30 years of representation, there are many more reasons to celebrate. Over 80 employees in 10 locations in Croatia: in Bestovje, Antunovac near Osijek, Metković, Split, Zadar, Perušić, Rijeka, Jastrebarsko, Krapina and Ivanić-Grad. 28 service vehicles covering the whole of Croatia. Over 6,000 new and more than 2,000 used forklifts sold to satisfy clients, with over 1,100 forklifts in short-term or long-term rental. Representation across all industry sectors with all 600 forklift models offered by the German manufacturer. The title of the most represented forklift seller in Croatia and the title of the most successful Jungheinrich forklift seller globally, an accolade they received in 2011.
Ja sam Žarko Barlović, voditelj korporativnog voznog parka i tehničkih sredstava Atlantic grupe.
Moje ime je Marin Luketić, radim kao managing direktor Orbico Supply Hrvatska.
Suradnja Atlantic grupe i Mlakar Viličara traje više od 20 godina.
S tvrtkom Mlakar Viličar surađujemo zadnjih 10 godina.
Viličari su pouzdani, postprodaja, servisi rade izuzetno dobro.
Izuzetno smo zadovoljni njihovom pristupom, profesionalnošću i nivoom usluge koju nam pružaju na dnevnoj razini.
Ovim putem želio bih čestitati Mlakar Viličarima na prvih 30 godina suradnje sa Jungheinrichom.
Najbolje tek dolazi.
They are particularly proud of the Sales and Service Center in Antunovac near Osijek, which is witnessing rapid growth, and they eagerly anticipate the opening of another Sales and Service Center in Dugopolje near Split. Thanks to the business strategy of Mr. Robert Mlakar and a serious ownership structure, Mlakar Viličari is undoubtedly one of the successful stories in Croatia. Given the market growth dynamics and knowledge transfer to the younger generation, we can confidently say that the company's upward trajectory will continue, collaborating with Jungheinrich to reach new business heights. To new business achievements, rise with Mlakar Viličari.